Hey guys, David back here. So multiple hours later, everything's done. Everything's clean. Car's in, nice and tidy. We're gonna go through this again because all the tools are in here. Everything, including the ones that were in the red bin. They're on the floor. Starters, drills, powers, battery chargers, all that sort of stuff. In here you have tools, needle nose, shit, crap, vise. Here you have tape. Here you're gonna have the ratchets. Here you're gonna have all of your Allen keys. I had kind of a trouble fitting them all in here. And here you're gonna have all of your sockets, not sockets, wrenches and ratchet wrenches. Like this is a ratchet wrench where one way it will spin, so you can do this with it. It spins. And it doesn't go the other way. Got a couple of those. For some reason I have a really tiny one. And then in here you have all your sockets. Here you have nothing. Here you have all of your screwdrivers and screwdriver bits. Sorry, all of them came up first. So, all your screwdrivers, all your bits. In here you have your drill bits, so bits, containers. Here you have your files. Here you're gonna have your air tools, stuff. Here you have your hammers. Here you have your air impacts. And then here you have your miscellaneous. I didn't use all the drawers. There's still quite a few empty ones. These two. These are all used. This is empty. Yeah, that's it. That's everything. So, yeah. See you guys later. That's the fucking price of it. Yay! Then over here you got everything. Your containers that are empty. Saws and crap. Tires, speakers, compressors, everything. You got your amplifier over here, your speakers, subwoofer. Yeah, got power there. You can plug the light in there. For here we have the one outlet in the garage, which extensions go to everywhere. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.